What's up, YouTube? It's my world here, back with the first ever Monster Jam Freestyle in BMNG Drive. This will be an 8-truck freestyle, the first of its kind. We have a great lineup here. I'm gonna score each of the runs with my own particular method. Don't ask me because it's kind of complex. The rules are pretty simple. If the truck crashes in under 3 hits, then the truck will be reset and will be docked 1 point from each judge. There'll be 5 judges, take out the high and the low. I think that's basically it. Actually, let me tell you the lineup here. So we've got Thunder 4x4, Wrecking Machine, Bulldozer, Spider-Man, Brutus, Avenger, Primer Gravedigger, Maximum Destruction, Gravedigger 7, and then a secret encore truck. I won't tell you that because at the end of the video I'll have you tell me what truck it was in the comments so I know that you made it that far into the video. Without further ado, enjoy. Timestamps are below if you want to see any of the specific runs. Okay, so we're going to get started here with Thunder 4x4, one of my favorite independent trucks. I love it because of the simplicity and the white, and it just also looks really tough and strong. I think that makes it look really cool. So, let's give it a good run to start off the day. The clock starts once we get our first obstacle, which will be this wide blue car stack. Decent there. I really like this track. It has pyramid on each side, and I love van and boxcar pyramids in Monster Jam. This thing is really cool. Like once you're far enough into the front, you can get them in. Nice ones up there. Nice vertical off the black one. That's very cool. What I like to do here is hit all the obstacles, as many as I can. And that's something that the judges used to like in real Monster Jam when it was professional judges. Oh no! Pretty pathetic crash right there, but that was a good run. We hit almost every obstacle, didn't hit the center ramp or the RV. However, the RV I'll save for later anyway. But that was a good run. I'll give you the score, but on to the next one. Okay, so the bar is set, and the score to beat is an 11. So not that high, so it shouldn't be too hard for the next truck to beat. And that truck is Wrecking Machine. This truck is a sick design. I love the black and the red flames. So, let's get a run that's just as good, starting with this black pyramid over here. Nicely done. Around. Hit the center ramp. We didn't hit that with Thunder 4x4. Hit a nicely little pickup, but wasn't anything to worry about. Let's take this far lane. Better air off of it than Thunder 4x4 got. Almost hits that wall. Playing BMNG Drive, Monster Jam, you gotta be careful around those walls because if you hit them too hard, the truck will get stuck in them and you'll be basically trapped. So yeah, that's a pretty frustrating way to like end a run. Just gonna slap really not quite. But you got that nose there, so that's always good. Now we hit just about every obstacle. It's not that van over there, which I'm not worried about, but let's take it on. We survived it. Luckily these barriers aren't the same way as the walls. They just bounce you back a little bit and get a couple of damage. Let's get this vertical one and hard landing. That was awesome. Great run. I think we filled the clock almost at least. So yeah, that's definitely gonna beat Thunder 4x4. I'll be back with the scores and our next truck. Okay, so we do have a new leader. Wrecking Machine got a 16. That may seem like still a low score, but remember we're only counting 3 judges, so the high score is a 30. So So at the World Finals, that'll be more like a 26, which is a great score. So yeah. The truck that'll have to beat it is Bulldozer, the most iconic truck I've pulled out so far. Thomas' old truck. I loved this truck when I was younger. It was great, definitely one of the best retro trucks. So let's give it a run that's just as good. At the winning of the World Finals, we always have these really short runs. So let's try to do something a bit better than that. Nice air right off the parlay. Now let's take this pyramid. Yeah, I might take that RB out with Bulldozer, since he is a Bulldozer, and that just feels fitting. But I'll save it to the end, because RBs, they can really screw your truck up. If you don't hit them hard enough, or something goes wrong, they can snag you almost more easily than the walls, and like, you can get out of the and you're going down anyway, so don't really matter. Okay, so I guess I didn't really live up to not ending it early, but it was a decent run. So that was only a 9. Not much I could do with that run. It was only like 3 hits, so yeah, let's try to do a bit better with our first Marvel truck, Spider-Man. This was Gary Porter's old truck. Well, he drove it at one time to his only World Finals, and then Chad Tingler's truck. Pretty cool thing. Also Barney Musauer's truck that he won the 2012 Young Gun Shootout competition in. So yeah, let's give him a good run here. The clock starts now. Once I get far enough into a run, once I'm like about to, once the time almost over, I'm just gonna gun it on over one of those pyramids, because that's what I just want to do. It's gonna cause some nice carnage if we don't land it, and if we do land it, it'll be amazing. So I didn't really mention that fact that we got, but it's actually got to mention on that. So, yeah, not much to worry about. That was some great air off of that black pyramid over there. Let's hit this blue leg. Okay. About halfway through our run. Hit the center ramp. Land it perfectly. Alright. And let's take up. Bump into walls, but it's not gonna damage us. Let's take this band here. Nicely done. That's just about all the obstacles. This is all. Let me go over this bump, because I can get past this car. Let me go over this little bump up here. I think you can get nice wheelies over it. However, I don't think I've done that yet since I've had this game. Right here. Not really a good place for us. So, time almost up. So, gun it. Nice. Best air we've seen so far, and I landed great. Hardly even a kick up. Let's do the same thing on this wide lane. A little bit crooked, but basically the end of the run. Let's fill the clock here. It's not back up. Don't back up. The clock is filled, and let's go into the cycle and end the run. A little bit of damage on the end there, but doesn't matter. Not like a 100 whether these two keep running or not. Yeah, that's definitely gonna take the lead. Just gonna see how high the score is. I'll see y'all with the next run. So that run got well and away in the lead. Spider-Man got a 24, first truck to reach the 20 mark. So yeah, there's a big score to beat in this stadium. So that's the truck that's gonna have to try to beat it is Brutus. Coming after a great run like that is always hard, and only 2 times in Chris Bergeron's actual career did he actually get a score higher than a 24. So, yeah, this may be a new score for him. But, yeah, I'm gonna try to give it a good run. It's a really cool truck. I used to always like it, especially when it was, like, newer, like the kind of reddish design. I always thought it looked really just kind of awesome. But, yeah, let's give it a run. That's also awesome. Slow start, but we can turn it up whenever we want to. I did a bit of a roundabout to get the car, both those car lanes. I can't really line up with that center ramp like I want to. A bit crooked, but we're gonna land it. We're gonna land it. We want to beat that run, so we're gonna step it up here. Cleared that nicely. Bit of a kick up. Bring it down. Yeah, it seems like over that black pyramid, the truck always goes nose up. But I've always survived it. Well, except for that Bulldozer one. Let me turn around. Get a good run against. Up. And we're good. Nice save. Let's try to hit this white stack over here. Haven't hit it yet. Oh, we're gonna run into this RV. We knocked it out of the way and got a nice slap really out of it. Got to back up, but that might mean we have to hit an obstacle with it. So we did that and landed it. Great. We've almost filled the clock here. First reverse move of the night, and missed the bump there, but we hit almost every obstacle, and that was everything. So we filled the clock, so anything else here is just for you viewers. We're going over anyway, and we saved it. That was after the scores, but let's run maybe anyway with that reverse move. Let's see if that happens. So sadly, that run barely lost to Spider-Man. Got a 22, so 2 points off. I think maybe if I had a bit better momentum at the beginning, would have been better. And I think the fact that I didn't have that amazing save, like, in the time, like, that kind of hurt quite a bit. But, yeah. Let's move on to the other Team Scream truck we have out here. And certainly the most famous, Avenger. Yes, the two-time world champion. And we're using the S10 Chevy body here, his retro design that he drove to the first two world finals. Let's try to give him a good run. A lot of times at the world finals, like Chris Bergeron and Brutus, he would end it very early. Let's try not to do that. Let's make this more like run from 2010, 2014, 2003, or 2011. Let's back this up here. The problem with Brutus's run, they lack momentum in the beginning. We're not going to do that with Avenger right here. Oh boy. And I think this might have gone stuck. Nope, we're fine. We took that out the way he did in this second world finals. The second world finals, he just came through a RV nicely. Like, what just happened to us there, we got stuck in it, but we backed up a little bit and pulled out of it. We're fine. Oh no, but he's not gonna be fine after this. Actually, I guess we are. Hey, let's get a rather dangerous reverse move on, or not. Truck kind of turned us the wrong way for a moment, so kind of killed that move. And okay, now once we get that settled down here and here, let's try to take it up a notch. We may have already built the clock, but send it. Cross it first with the knife. And ouch. That was a hard hit into the wall, but we didn't just get stuck in it, we lost the wheel. So, yeah. Pretty great carnage. Not gonna take the lead, certainly, but yeah. It was worthwhile. So, that S10 is going to get A10. So, yeah, not the best. I'm gonna try to do a bit better with this truck. You guys might be a bit mad at me if I don't, because this is Primer Gravedigger. Yep, the old retro first ever Gravedigger, the red pickup body. Yeah, pretty nice truck. I've always loved it, as any Gravedigger fan should. And yeah, we're kind of gonna try to give it a much better run than Avenger. Let's go ahead and start it up here. You know, one jump I haven't started a run with just yet is the center ramp. So we're gonna do that real quick. Time starts now. Yeah, stuck the landing. I don't want to bump into that RV. Don't get this gravy run messed up. Bit crooked, but we're gonna land it square. Alright, to be done. Now let's go for the lane. Yeah, best here on the bat jumps. So far, he might be a bit stuck. No, well, we have the tire deflated. Took out our tire, but we can drive out. That never slowed anyone down. But this might... No, it won't. Just gonna take that car with us. We're gonna take this one here too, and it's gonna take us out. Not what we wanted to see from such an iconic truck. But it was some great carnage. At least we didn't get stuck on the wall. That would have been even worse. And then we took that car with us, so that was kind of cool. So yeah, instant karma for the car. I'll come out with a score that won't beat Spider-Man, but it'll get a decent score, I'm sure. So Primer Gravedigger's gonna get only an 11, tying him with the first run. Not what we want to see from such a great truck, but I can make up for that with an even greater truck. Maximum Destruction. Yeah, this is certainly the second, probably tied with the first most iconic truck we have out here today. I would pull out Goldberg, but they don't have it in BMNG Drive, or at least don't have it in the mod that I got for some reason. But, so this is what we're going to have to settle with. Anyway, let's not hesitate and get this show on the road. I'm gonna try to get a bit of a ragged edge, but not too ragged. Don't want to end up like Primer Gravedigger. Nicely done. Sorry for him, his old truck Bulldozer is in dead last with 9. Nice. Cleared both those pyramids perfectly. Now get us some good points. Let's take this car lane without that top car on it. Yeah, that's nice. Gonna bump into the wall maybe, but we're gonna be fine. Let's hit this little bump here. Try to get a slap really off of it. No, I don't think off of that. No! Pull it down. Yes. Great save. Oh no. This might not be good. Okay, pull it out. I think try hard enough. We'll make it. Just come on. Just do it. We'll burn off a lot of our time. But sometimes I'm not gonna end it. I'm not gonna give up on Tom's truck. However, I might have to. So that's terrible. This kind of was gone for me when I did a lot of the practice runs. I started out great, then kind of sucked with the final runs, which are the runs that I wanted to get best at. So, yeah. Hopefully we'll do better with with our final truck. But, only time will tell. So, that'll get Maximum Destruction. Only 13, so not the best. Leaving one truck left to take Spider-Man out of the hot seat. And it's Chad Tingler and Gary Porter's teammate, Dennis Anderson in Gravedigger. Couldn't really do my first BMNG Freestyle video without this truck. It's my favorite truck in Monster Jam. So, yeah, we're gonna try and give him a really good run. And something I make for the last truck is that every freestyle video for the last truck, we reset the course so that it has fresh obstacles. A little bit of a bonus for being the last driver out. So, let's take on this clean course. The pressure's on. It's only him left. And Spider-Man's now been in the hot seat for quite a bit now. So yeah, he's gonna want to take him out of it. Nice arrow over that white van. Oh, but a little bit high-sided. Well, that wasn't only the first 2 hits. So, we'll reset him. He'll be docked 1 point from each judge. This is the first time I've had to do this today. But he'll be docked 1 point from each judge, but he'll get reset, and he'll be able to keep on going. So, yeah. Let's try to make up for that. Great air off that lane. Now, 1 point off of each judge. That's 3 points off of your total score. So yeah, a pretty critical error. So yeah, it's not just a freebie that you're giving back. Anyway, gonna try to nice air. And then we're gonna go for something here. We're gonna go hit this center ramp from the steep side, give us a backflip. Because if anything's gonna be Spider-Man's run, that'll be it. Not quite. Hey, but we're gonna save it. Yes! That will end the run. That'll give him some great points. I don't know if it's gonna beat Spider-Man, but it's certainly gonna come closer than the rest, than those past few runs. Nice kick up. Since this is the last truck, I'm gonna go give some stuff just for the viewers. So yeah, didn't hit all the obstacles within the time, so that's gonna hurt us a little bit. But we did some good stuff. Other than that, gonna get our hood stuck. Actually, our door and our hood stuck in the chassis, bumping into the walls. Doesn't matter. It's the end of the run. Oh, gonna get a little high side. I don't want to end it that way. Anyway, let's take on this RV here. And let's go down. Oh, that body just flew off of there, but that was amazing. Great final run. Great way to wrap it up. But we still have the encore. So, stay tuned for that. Okay, so the score to beat was a 24, and Gravedigger landed in 3rd with an 18, meaning your winner is Spider-Man. I'll also be putting a poll for who you think should have won in my community section of my channel homepage. So there'll be a link to that in the description if you want to go vote. But yeah, Spider-Man has won this. And now for the encore. And so, if you made this far, type in BMNG Escalade. That's ESCALADE. BMNG Escalade. Type that in the comments so I know you made it this far into the video. And yeah, I'll heart each comment that I see with those words in it. And yeah, let's get this encore on the road. Now, I love this white SUV for like we call BMNG stuff. It just looks so nice. It's sleek. It's just amazing. You don't have to worry about points, no time restraints. It's all just for the viewers. So yeah, that's pretty fun. So that's backing up is not gonna hurt me. Cleared that jump nicely. Possibly anything else. It may be a bit of a underwhelming, but the trouble won't feel too bad, at least. Black stack. Now for the white one. Let's clear this. Well done. Yeah. This was a great night of freestyle. There was a few barriers in the way for me getting this video out. The main one was getting this microphone to work, because like before this video, like the microphone was always, and that'll end the and that will end the video here. Forget the stuff about the microphone stuff, but that was a good encore. That was an awesome crash, great carnage. That was really an amazing night. A great start to the Monster Jam Freestyle series that I'll be starting now. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more. Next week we'll be doing a something from the 2008 through 2012 era. So if you don't want to miss that, be sure to hit subscribe and hit the notification bell. Remember the poll. The poll will be in my community tab on my channel homepage if you want to go vote for who you think the winner should have been. That's all. Without further ado, be great, stay awesome, drive.